Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the BarbecueSwap Finance token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to get this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials on this channel, showing you guys things like how to buy, how to sell, and lots more. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, all we have to do for this token is just head over to our Trust Wallet. And once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to remind you guys, I'm not going to show you how to create your wallet in this video or how to buy or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if you guys need to learn how to do that stuff first. But I'm going to already assume you have BNB inside of your Trust Wallet and that you have it into your Smart Chain wallet. So if you don't have it in your Smart Chain wallet and it's just sitting in your BNB wallet, you just want to click on BNB, click on More, and then click on Swap to Smart Chain here. If you don't have it in your Smart Chain wallet, it's not going to show up in your PancakeSwap, so that's very important. Anyhow, all that we have to do now is just paste the contract address for this token inside of our Trust Wallet. So if we just go to the next link I have in the description for CoinMarketCap, it'll bring you over to this page right here where we're able to get the contract address for the token. So we just go down to where it says contracts. We can just copy this little button right here, click on that little copy button, and then head back over to Trust Wallet. Once we're back inside Trust Wallet here, we just want to go to the top right of the screen where we see the 2 lines and 2 circles. Click on that, then just paste the token address up in the top search. Once that's done here, we can enable the token and then click on Done. Once we have the token inside of our Trust Wallet right here, we can just go over to PancakeSwap, and I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well as in the comment section as well. So just go ahead to that link and I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is go to the top right of our screen so we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once you click on the Connect Wallet button, we're actually not going to click on Trust Wallet here. We're going to click on Wallet Connect instead. And once you click on Wallet Connect, you'll see here a bunch of different options for preferred wallets. You guys can use any one of these wallets that you would like if you have BNB and a Smart Chain wallet on them. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're just going to click on Trust Wallet. And once we click on Trust Wallet here, we'll just have to wait and give it a couple seconds for this screen to pop up right here. Once the screen pops up here, we just want to click on Connect and then head back over to our PancakeSwap. Once we're back in PancakeSwap, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Now, if your balance is not here and you do have BNB inside of your wallet, just make sure it's in your Smart Chain wallet or else it will not show up here. So that's very, very important. Anyhow, all we have to do now is click on Select a Currency and paste that same address we got from CoinMarketCap right in here as well. Once we do that, we'll see the barbecue token pop up. So we can just import that, I understand, and then import. Now that we have both tokens in here, all we have to do now is change our slippage tolerance. Now, I did not find any specific number for slippage tolerance for this token, but I would start off by trying to use 5% slippage to start off. So to change that, you just want to go to this little settings gear right here, and then right here you can change your slippage tolerance. But like I said, I did not find anything on their Twitter or on their website telling me what to use for slippage tolerance, so I'm not too sure 100% on what to use, but I would start off with 5% for this token specifically. Anyhow, once you've changed it here, we can exit out, and now all we have to do is decide how much BNB that we want to transfer into the barbecue token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 1 BNB. I can put that in here, and then it will show me how much of the barbecue token I'll get in exchange for that BNB. Now, if you're happy with that, you can just go ahead right here to the bottom where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just be telling you to swap here. Once you click on swap, it will then show you on the next page a broken down version of the transaction, showing you the fees and withdrawal fees involved. If you're happy with that, again, you can click on swap one more time, and then you'll then get a successful transaction notice. Once you get that notice, you can head back over to Trust Wallet, and then your token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the barbecue token. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.